Hello, Nicole. Good afternoon pa ba? O going to good evening na?
Good evening na lang.
Good evening na lang. Kamusta ka naman?
I'm fine. Okay naman.
Oo, and you're part of this beautiful movie sa Aking Mga Anak. So, anong role ni Nicole dito?
Ako po ay si Mary, yung kapatid ni Esther, at mga nephew ko sila Pauline at si Gab.
So, ikaw ba ay matapang dito? Mataray ba o mabait?
Ako po ay mabait, yung mabait klase na tita. Like, you know, everything revolves sa akin. Yung personality ko is, you know, relying everything sa God.
So in real life, paano ka nakaka-relate dun sa role mo?
Nakaka-relate ako kasi, you know, I also pray every night. And, you know, I'm also close to God. I would consider myself close to God.
So yun yung, yung pinakamalapit sa role na ginagampanan mo?
Yes po.
Oo. So ikaw ba yung katulad din ng may mga pamangking ka na ba or may mga cousin ka na medyo mas bata?
May mga cousins
So ganun ka rin ba in real life?
Yeah, I would say that I am kind of like Mary in real life.
And Nicole, kwentuhan mo naman kami paano ka napasok sa showbiz?
Showbiz?
Yeah.
Hindi ako napasok sa showbiz. Pero
ito kasi
napasok ako sa movie na ito dahil kay Direct June. Binigyan niya ako ng opportunity, and I thank Direct June so much for that kasi if it wasn't for him, hindi na ako dito. So thank you so much, Direct June.
So ikaw pumasok ka dito kasi gusto mo naman or gusto ng parents?
Hindi, gusto ko. Ako mismo yung
sa personal na gusto mo.
Kasi ever since I was young, passion ko na talaga yung mga acting,
mag-artista.
Maging artista.
Oo. So bukod sa acting, si Nicole ba ay kumakanta, sumasayaw?
Oo, ako ay daming ginagawa ako. More into sports ako, more into music.
So very talented.
Yeah.
Oo.
Sa bahay, I play 6 instruments. And I play 2 sports, taekwondo and football.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you do hosting also, 'di ba?
Yes po.
Sa Talents Academy.
Yeah.
Oo, so anong pakiramdam? Award-winning, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, around the globe yan. Maraming awards ang Talents Academy.
I feel very grateful na binibigyan ako ng Lord ng ganyang opportunity kasi usually teenagers my age don't get that much malaking opportunity. And I'm very grateful that God gave me that, you know, give me this kind of life where I get to experience I get to experience what other teenagers want to experience.
Yeah. To become celebrity.
Yes,
diba?
It's been my dream. I've been dreaming about, you know, making my first ever movie, and I'm so grateful na God gave me the opportunity na
nakasama ka dito, 'di ba? So ikaw ba may mga hinahangaan ng mga celebrity? May mga idols ka ba?
Opo, syempre.
Sino sa mga babae? Sino
Sa
yung
mga babae, I would say si idol celebrity, I would say Ivana Alawi.
Why? Parang may resemblance din kayo.
Daming nagsasabi na magkakapatid daw kami.
And may resemblance kayo.
I would love to meet her one day, and her videos is just, you know, very entertaining para sa akin.
So gusto mo rin siya makatrabaho in the near future?
In the future, yes. I would love to meet her one day.
How about sa mga boys naman?
Sa boys, I would say Jeric Raval. Actually, I've met him before na. And he's very nice. He's a very nice man, and you know, ang linis siyang tignan, and he's just a very good actor in general.
How about sa mga kaedad mo?
Ooh,
the actors at your age, same
actors
age.
At my age.
Yeah.
Ang hirap. I think I would say sila Marco Massa or yung mga mulaks.
Guwapo.
They're very nice people. Me personally, sa social media, you know, watching them on social media, I think that they'd be really fun to hang out with and very cool to, you know, talk with. So.
Pero ikaw ba gusto magkaroon din ng teleserye?
Oo. Why not? It's an opportunity that not many people can get, and when I get an opportunity that not many people can get, I would love to grab it. Kasi
so gusto mo yung ganung klase.
Kasi it's every opportunity, God is giving that to you.
Yes, totoo yun.
Yeah.
So, kailangan galingan.
Correct.
Ikaw ba, ready kang magka-love team if time comes na may ipareha sa'yo? Magkaroon ng ka-love teams?
Yes po. Yes. I think that would be very fun. Kasi sa school, nagaganyan din kami sa mga group projects. And yeah, it's very cool. It would definitely be probably one of the most fun things I would experience sa aking life.
So, anong sinasabi sa'yo ng mga classmates mo, mga friends mo? So, napapanood ka na sa TV and now, may pelikula na.
Well, they're actually very supportive, especially sa mga friends ko. They're like saying, wow, artista na pala yung kaibigan ko. And I was like, huy! Tapos, some of them are saying, wag mo akong kalimutan, ha? So yeah, it's very fun. And I'm so happy that, yung environment ko ganyan.
So, pero ikaw, anong pwede mong i-advise sa mga katulad mo na nangangarap din na maging artista, na magkaroon ng projects na katulad ng meron ka?
My advice is, do not give up. Kasi, as I said a while ago, if you're given an opportunity, you always have to remember na sa Diyos yan galing. So, yeah, even if it's hard sa una, it's gonna get better soon.
Basta galingan lang.
Basta galingan mo lang.
And give your 100%.
Give your best.
Oo.
Wag lang mag-give up kasi mahirap lang yan sa una. Pero as time goes on, you'll be perfect.
So, anong pakiramdam mo? Kasi balak ng producer na ipalabas to sa buong Pilipinas. Mapapanood ka ng buong Pilipinas by this movie.
Half of me feels very pressured, but also half of me feels very, very excited kasi many people would be watching me, and my life could change in that possible moment. And I thank God every day for giving me this opportunity kasi yun nga, once in a lifetime.
Yes, totoo yan. And ano sa tingin mo yung magiging lesson ng pelikula sa mga manonood ng movie?
Definitely the lesson is that God is always in your heart. Kasi nga, si Mary nga yung di na lang ako mag-spoil ng malaki, pero
marami silang matututunan.
Maraming kayong matutunan kasi siya, not only for kids pero like for teenagers my age and possibly older adult people. Yeah. Na
may matututunan din. And kailangan ba nila magdala ng tissue, handkerchief or panyo or
handkerchief.
O kaya labakara para pag napanood nila, maraming iyakan.
Maraming iyakan, oo.
So they need to bring that.
Yes, you have to bring that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.